Welcome back. Now that we have included the articles that need to be included in our systematic review, it is time to extract the information we need from them. This is where the prep stage on HubMeta comes into play. Let's take a look broadly at what is included in the prep stage, and then I will explain them one by one. First of all, we have a library page, which is where it lists all the papers that are in the data extraction stage. And on the right, we have a set of filters that help us navigate through this page. These filters are very, very important for us to find and revise and look through data that is already extracted from our studies. So the multiple tabs that this has are data, like this basically says, for example, show me all the papers that have a correlation table. On the right, we have a set of filters to basically filter the papers that we have, and this is really helpful for us to find a specific field, a specific data, or a set of extracted data. After extraction, we will come back to this. Now, from the library, when you click on one paper, it opens it up into the capture page. So we don't usually go to capture directly, we go from library. In this page, you will see the PDF on the right hand, so side-by-side view. And on the left, you will see all the extracted data. You can add manually the templates and tables. Like in this project, for example, we have extracted data. Let's take a look at them. Here, I will look at the tables. In this case, we have a correlation matrix in this study here, and a regression, a few regression tables actually here, which are all recorded. And in the templates tab, these are data extraction templates. Like for example, these are the different forms that we have defined to extract data. I will explain that in Codebook. So let's say, for example, firm sample characteristics extraction. It says the number of firms, the data years, the home country, the industry type, all the different things that we have defined to be extracted from the paper are available here. So basically here you can view and edit the data that has been extracted from your paper. So for example, is indigeneity address in this paper or not, yes or no. You can do it manually, or you can use our AI extract function, which I will explain in another video. And you can directly copy and paste from the PDF on the right hand, or add highlights and notes from your PDFs to make your job of extraction easier in this page. And the third page inside our prep stage is Codebook. This is where you define what has to be extracted from your papers. We will go into details with this in our next video. And finally, AI extract is where you use AI to extract all of this data automatically from your included PDFs. So let's talk about setting up the codebook for our systematic review project.